guys, Angela here, and in today's video I want to do a quick swipe. And this is my Artist Loft white, and this is gonna be my base paint. And then I have Liquitex magenta. I have yellow by Arteza. That is lemon yellow. And I also have an indigo paint color that I made. This indigo here, I used 1/3 Liquitex crimson red and 2/3 of blue. And then I added some Floetron water, GSC 800 and all that good stuff. If you want to kind of get an idea of how I mix my paint, again, go to the very beginning part of my painting career, and I think it's painting number 25 or 26, and you will see how I mix my paint. I still use that kind of process, even though I've kind of tweaked a little bit here and there, but that's what I use, that same process. So what I'm gonna do is, I just, like I said, I want to go ahead and do some swipes. And so let's go ahead and get started here. I'm gonna pour my white on the canvas, spread it out, and then pour my my colors, and then we'll go from there. So here, this is how I do this. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but you know, it's just been I have a lot of shorts, but a regular video, it's been a while since I posted one, but it's okay. I'm still here. I haven't gone anywhere, and I don't plan on going anywhere away. I mean away from painting. Painting is really my kind of like a therapy, and I love bringing good content. I love bringing good content to you, my friends. So, and I have tons and tons. You can watch my videos every day for like maybe a whole month if you watched every day, or maybe longer. I have about 200 and some videos that are sitting there waiting for you to watch them. So go watch them, and then comment and tell me how you like them, how what I could do to make them better, or you know, that kind of good stuff. So go ahead and watch those, and keep watching, keep supporting me with your viewing. And that's all I ask for. View, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and that will help me a lot. Now we'll just go ahead and pour. I might have to pour in puddles. And now I want to swipe with the white, because obviously black is gonna show too much if I use black to swipe this. So I'm gonna try with white. And what I'm gonna do, I just put a little white on it. And as you can see, guys, I'm almost done with this white. That's why it's creating too much bubbles. I don't like that. Alright, anyway. Gotta work with what we have. I wonder if I should swipe or just blow it out. I think I should blow it out. I love this. I love this mixture, the way it's turning out. But let me try to blow it out first. See how it works. If it doesn't work right, then I'll just come back and add more paint. Yeah, I think that's it. Don't ruin it. The next one I am going to swipe. Let me show you how it turned out before it dries. Hopefully it will dry like this, but I'm loving it. Well, let me bring you down and show you guys. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. Those colors are beautiful. This is the final result. It's actually dry, and look guys, look how beautiful it is. Beautiful, very cloudy. I love it. And I might have forgotten to mention, this is a 10 by 20 canvas. So it's not that big, but it's just beautiful. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share, and I will see you in the next video. God bless.